At am.co.za, we stock and sell many different kinds of vinyl cutter blades for all kinds of vinyl cutter machines on the market. Mainly, 4 different blade angle types are used: 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 2 different types of 45-degree blades. So, what is the difference? And how do you choose the correct blade for your vinyl cutting job? Just to clarify, AM uses the physical angle of the blade to indicate the degree of the blade. The 30-degree blade has the sharpest tip and longest vertical effective cutting edge. It easily penetrates the material, but requires a strong force to drag through the material. However, it turns very easy, so this blade is good for soft materials of up to 2 mm in thickness. For example, flock heat press vinyl. It's also good for complex designs and intricate details. The 60-degree blade is less sharp and has the least vertical effective cutting edge, but it requires the least amount of drag force as well to get through the material. However, it does not turn easily, so it is suitable to cut through up to 1 mm hardy material, like reflective vinyl and sandblasting vinyl. The 45-degree blades are the most commonly used because they have a middle-range vertical effective cutting edge for up to 1.5 mm thick material, and the drag force required is average. It is suitable for most vinyl material, so it is perfect for day-to-day use. And there are 2 different types of 45-degree Roland compatible blades. The standard blade with a wider shank of about 1.5 mm width, which can cut up to 1.5 mm material, and the easy turn blade with a smaller shank diameter of about 1 mm, which can cut up to 1 mm thickness. The smaller contact surface makes it easier to turn with a gain cutting advantage like a 30-degree blade. Since most material for daily use is far less than 1 mm thickness, this blade is perfect for day-to-day use as it penetrates the material easily and has the least amount of drag force. am.co.za stocks a large variety of blades and blade holders for the V-Series, V-Smart and V-Auto vinyl cutters, as well as for other makes such as Roland, Mimaki and Graphtec Silhouette Cameo vinyl cutters. Call sales or visit buythis.co.za/vinyl-blades to find out more.
At am.co.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Hlobosile Kumalo, a level 6 local guide who has 64 reviews all over the country, says, "The tech support team is on point. I had an issue with my machine. I called them and they said I must bring it in. The person who helped me checked everything and made sure everything was 100%. Kind staff members helped me load my machine in and out of my car." This was just one of the many appreciative reviews we have received. These tags mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your support. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. Level 7 reviewer Dash Somolu, who has 119 reviews on Google, says, "Great company, great products and very well priced items. The training we received from Messias Chunga was top-notch. He was very knowledgeable and knows his stuff." Another satisfied customer amongst many. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. am.co.za. Achievement matters.